Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am finishing up another wonderful stay here at the Boardwalk. This time I'm in a studio actually. This does sleep 5 people. I have a room tour of a 1-bedroom that sleeps 4 people. I'll leave that linked below so you can go check that out. So let's check out this amazing room. I love the Boardwalk, the location, it's awesome. The Boardwalk is a Disney Vacation Club resort. So you'll see all that around here. Here's your door. Mirror to check yourself out as you're walking in and out. So they've got this wall right here. But as you walk in, you have a nice size closet. Lots of hangers, luggage stuff. We'd use the extra bedding, so that's why that is there. Nice big area for everyone to get ready. Lots of storage. And here is the bathroom. Nice clean bathroom, small, but got what you need. Around the corner is the little kitchenette. So all Disney Vacation Club rooms will have either a kitchen or a kitchenette. This one has the kitchenette, so this room has the kitchenette. You have a microwave, toaster, and coffee maker with the sink. Disney does provide you with some coffee, some stuff to wash the dishes, and a nice little fridge. Under here are your garbage and recycling with some extra paper towels. In the studios, it looks like you're getting more to-go cups than in the 1-bedroom video. You had real silverware and such. But it's nice. This is great to heat up your leftovers. Alright, the room. Don't mind the unmade bed. Like I said, we're checking out today. So here, these open up and push back so you can pull out all the drawers. They're pretty deep too, which was really nice. This couch does pull out to a sofa, so you could fit 2 kids there or 1 adult comfortably. Next to the bed, just on this side, there's 2 plugs and a couple USB to charge. Another mirror. Hello. And I believe all the rooms have a little balcony here as well. Getting foggy. This guy will fold out to a bed to fit 1 person. Let me see if I can show you. All right, after figuring it out a little, that bed is adorable. Definitely good for 1 person. For future reference, 2 people, 1 person on each side, presses those and it just pulls down. Just need a little help. So cute. So that's a room tour of a studio that sleeps 5 here at the Boardwalk Villa. This is the DVC side. You can stay at the Boardwalk Inn, which would sleep 4 adults or 4 people in 2 queen beds. So little different setup, same resort, same amenities. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys next time.